Someone messaged me this morning and I thought it was my bag. That's why I opened the door. Baka may surprise ako. It's better than my bag. Look at that!
Boom! Can't show because it's got the address. Boom! Okay, let's not get the address.
Oh my god! It's the 100K silver button YouTube! Teka, baka nandun pa rin yung bag ko. Wala pag delivery ng bag. Oh my god!
That's so cool. A big, huge icon over the address.
Bye-bye! Punta tayo mamaya. Saan na punta ngayon?
Grabe guys, it's finally here. This is, well technically, it's like 2 years. 2 years of work. But in active terms, it's only 6 months. Right? 6 months?
Yeah. 7.
7.
Well,
Ayun.
6.
So we went from 24,000 to 100K.
Because of you guys! Thank
Yay!
you!
Celebrate! And sorry guys, we're all in our morning clothes, even though it's 12 o'clock. 100,000! We'll do the unboxing later.
Yes!
I want to see it.
Oh my god, this is the box that I've been waiting for.
Yay!
Yay! Yay!
Uy, baby!
Hindi, gusto na lang naman niya yung box.
Okay, you take the box.
What this? Oh my god!
Wow.
Thank you, Daddy.
And what did I put inside?
You see something inside?
Yeah, I think
Nothing is inside.
Piso dyan.
It's the strap! I have a new bag! Ang tagal ko pong inantay to. Birthday ko pa lang. Inaantay ko na to.
Mama, I'll put on the top for you.
Nahanap na namin. Sa Singapore lang pala meron. Thank you, Miel. Sa paghanap. I love it.
We're both in black. Guys, please share the live. We are doing, yes, all the puyat is worth it, guys.
Thank you, Bibid.
Ayun guys, so we are live again on Facebook and YouTube. It's a momentous moment. Is that even is a word that exists? This morning, by surprise, we discovered there was a silver play button waiting at the door.
Oo nga, accidentally lang.
Yeah, so we're excited to open it. So that's why we have gone live also. We're shooting it for the vlog. Para sa vlog din. We haven't actually even taken a peek yet. But we were very, very excited about it. We did take off the tape, syempre naman. Tapos,
Ito na siya.
yung address. But yes, here it is, guys.
YouTube.
YouTube.
Thank
There's only
you.
one person on YouTube.
Si Aliyah.
Ayun, 10. Si
Si
Aliyah.
Andrew, si Ariel. Guys, pa-share naman tayo ng live para maraming makakita ng unboxing din natin. Though mapopost natin ito, it's better na live nyo makita yung unboxing namin. So, thank you so much guys na mga nandito.
Thank you, guys. Please also send some love.
You can
may
send stars. You can send supers sa ating ano. Oh, be positive. Thank you.
Thank you, guys. So we wanted to do it live because, well, this never happened, and we did not expect it to happen as fast as it did. But yeah, and I just want to thank people that sort of helped us along the way. So I hope you do watch this, George and Lucy. I'm gonna send it to you anyway. But I just want to thank you for, like, George especially. He's been guiding us like pretty much the whole way, every single question. Like, if you saw our chat, it's like
Puro questions ni
Puro
Andy.
questions.
Ano to? Do you
Yeah.
know about this?
Yeah.
What's your
answer to
Yeah.
this? What does this mean? How
do
do
you
I
think
sign
it's a
up
good
for
idea?
stars?
Yeah.
So
How?
guys,
Puro how.
make sure Facebook and YouTube that you follow the Juicy Vlog. They're a big reason why we really continued. Because he did send me a message. It was like, I think it might have been maybe it was April-ish or just before we started, and he said, "Why are you not vlogging?" And I said, I will, and then so it's happened now. George,
and we got it.
Hope you're proud of us.
George and Lucy.
Hope you're proud of us. So we'll just wait for a few more viewers, guys.
Yeah, please share the live. Come on.
Thank you, guys.
Ayan, ang daming mga comments.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you, RR. Thank you, Rika.
Thank you, RR. Appreciate it. Go push din. Kaya mo yan, 100K. I think it's just all about being consistent. We're not trying to shoot, the most cinematic, the most, incredible stuff, but we're just trying to shoot good quality daily content.
Yes, ayan na. Ang dami na nag-share ng ating live. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Samahan nyo kami. Yes. Oo nga, ito na. I-unbox na natin siya, ha?
Yes, we will unbox na, guys. Kasi ang dami, almost 300 here, and then quite a few here also.
Let's do it.
Ayun, are you excited, guys? Press 1 if you're excited. Parang bigo. Let's see if anybody else is excited as us. And we were lucky because we were able to get it sent here, diretso sa Australia kasi.
Akala kasi namin it's gonna be sent in the Philippines. Kaya surprisingly, andito na, tsaka sobrang bilis, di ba? Parang in-apply namin, saglit lang. 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
2 weeks lang, parang ganun.
Almost less than. Bukas 1M na yan.
Naku, Sara. Naku naman. Ang dami nagpipress 1 tuloy. Ayan na sila, nagpipress 1 na.
Thank you, guys.
Excited sila for us. Thank you guys for being happy na nakuha namin to. Kasama talaga namin kayo sa journey na to. It's all because of you guys, sa panonood ninyo. Nai-inspire talaga kaming gumawa ng kahit anong content na nangyayari sa aming daily life. Siyempre, mahirap po yung daily na vlogging, ha. Kaya, as much as possible, gusto namin maging quality din yung mga binablog din namin.
Kaya, excited din si Hill.
Hill! Laban!
What's up? So, sorry guys, it is a little bit messy at the front because...
Nandun yung sticker kasi kanina.
Yeah, yung address dito.
Oo, siyempre, we need to remove the address, diba?
I was kind of in a rush, so I was like, I want to get it done. But we better open it because baby will come in this room in a minute and then
manggugulo na siya.
Alrighty.
Eto na, guys!
Here it is.
This is it. Dun, 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 dun. Oh.
May
Wala.
parang protection. We gotta check muna kasi baka may...
Baka magulat kami. Hindi pa talaga namin siya binubuksan kasi.
I won't show this kasi just in case may address. Sana walang address.
Oops.
Grab this muna, baka may address.
Sabi, may message po yung YouTube, ha? Congratulations on your subscriber milestone.
We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and we want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. Thank you, Rick.
Rick, thank
Whoever
you so
are,
much.
I bet you're good looking. If your award was damaged during shipping, or if you have any questions, we'll contact you, Rick, don't worry. But thank you, Rick. We love you. Wait, I'll take this away just in case. We'll just check.
Woo!
Ayun, here it is, guys, by the way. Woo!
We got it!
Ang ganda. Walang address. Ay, baka may address. So it says here, YouTube, we're reading sana verbatim. Some 100,000 subscribers, just how far have you come? If each of your subscribers were a light year, they could take you from one side of the Milky Way to the other. That's far. And it's why today we're so excited to celebrate your special YouTube journey with you. Not only have you brought a unique voice and style to the world, you've also created valuable connections and built a community along the way, which is you guys. In that spirit, YouTube is proud to present you with the Silver Creator Award, which celebrates your hard work and incredible achievement. Congratulations on this amazing milestone, just one of the many we hope will follow in the future. After all, there are countless others out there that have yet to discover your passion and dedication. So yes, please share the live so everybody else can discover. Whether they come to your channel and learn something new or just for a laugh, which I hope we're mostly funny. A whole new audience is waiting for you to inspire them, just as your growing community continues to inspire you. We can't wait to see what you do next, and we'll be with you every step of the way. Yours sincerely, Susan Wojcicki. I hope that's correct.
Yes.
Susan, the CEO of YouTube.
Yay!
So Susan and Rick, we love you.
Love you guys. Thank you so much for this silver play button. Hello, Kuya Hill and Ron. Nandun
Ayun.
sila. Kuya
Let's
Hill.
unwrap it. Should we unwrap
Oo.
it? Get some fingerprints on it. See, baby's coming back, so we've got to
Oh,
split
we
it.
have to.
It's quite heavy, yeah? Got a little bit of weight. Oh, sorry. Ayun, so this is it, guys. Ayun. Boom. Babe, smile. Para, where to get the light out of it? That way. Para sa thumbnail. Oops. Ayun.
Yay!
Grabe.
Thank you, Jaime. Ang next daw dyan is 500. So that is gold.
Yeah, so next week na yan, yung 500.
Ayan, next week 500 na. Kuya Hill and Ron, please subscribe kayo naman para ano.
Yes. Guys, if
Umami.
you're also, looking for migration visa, Kuya Hill is here.
Migrate visa.
Yes.
Iniscuss ko yan sa ating vlog. So, nandyan sila nanonood.
Oh, the door's been locked. Baby
No,
wants
it
to
isn't
come back in. But we'll let the baby in.
Buti na, did you lock it?
Yeah.
That's why she's crying. Nandun na si Mimi. Mami Eileen, thank you. Maraming salamat sa pag-share ng live, sa pag-share ng vlog.
Are you coming?
At syempre,
Come in.
sa inyong mga views. Halika, Mimi, dali. Why are you crying? I'm here. Kala niya siguro nilock na yung door. Oh.
So Mimi's here. So thank you so much,
Well, I saw
guys.
you in the live.
Yeah, Mimi's here.
Alika. Thank you so much, guys. Ito na, umiyak na yung anak ko, kaya ako'y gigilid na muna dito. Thank you so
Okay.
much.
Beautiful voice in the background. So yeah,
100 subscribers.
100 lang, 100,000, bebe.
100,000.
Ayun guys, sorry kung umalis ako kanina dahil umiiyak na si Mimi. Gusto ko lang po ulit magpasalamat sa lahat po ng mga subscribers namin. Dahil po sa inyo, kaya patuloy tayong umaangat dito sa YouTube. And of course, hindi namin pwedeng kalimutan na pasalamatan si King dahil siya po ang patuloy na nag-i-edit ng mga videos namin. King, thank you so much for doing this. And we love you. We are proud of you. So, yun guys. End ko na muna itong vlog na to dahil tulog na ang dalawang bagets. And syempre, since tulog na sila, ngayon pa lang din ako mag-get ready at maglilikpit. Kaya yun, hindi ko na i-vlog dahil medyo pagod na ako. Yan. Happy tayong matutulog ngayong gabi. Thank you guys for watching. Good night.